This is the Station Grip 3.0 glove from 511 Tactical. This advanced glove is constructed from a blend of nylon rib span and a breathable 4-way stretch, resulting in a perfect combination of durability and comfort for your hands. The breathable model Neoprene Knuckles ensure superior protection while allowing air to circulate, keeping you comfortable even in challenging situations. A synthetic suede palm with textured grip padding provides maximum responsiveness, enabling you to efficiently operate your equipment without sacrificing dexterity. The touchscreen compatibility feature allows you to stay connected and have full control over your devices, even when wearing gloves. An adjustable hook and lube wrist closure provides a secure, customized fit, while the neoprene wrist keeps out moisture and debris. The gloves also feature a useful pull tab, making them easy to don quickly, plus a reinforced cuff seam that stands up to daily wear and tear. This Station Grip 3.0 glove is TAA compliant, meeting all necessary requirements for tactical operations. Get ready to experience the unparalleled benefits of the Station Grip 3.0 glove from 511 Tactical.